Welcome back to the yard, Dad. We got a bunch of rain, like tons of rain. The backyard is pretty much dry, so check it out. It's looked pretty good since we scalped it, right? Looking real nice. I think the plan today is we'll continue with our overseed project back here. And what I'm gonna do, are the sides of the house are still a little bit wet. I'm going to mow back here. I probably won't do the whole go all the way down the scalp thing, because I noticed the grass, it grew a lot just in that week. I think what I'm gonna do is just cut it a little bit, maybe like an inch, cut it to an inch, something like that. We're gonna come back and I'm gonna aerate mainly in a few areas. I'm not gonna do the whole thing, but pretty much most of the backyard that's kind of in the center here. Like this area right here, we're gonna aerate this really good. And then over on this other side over here, we'll aerate this area real good. This other stuff's pretty good. I'll probably hit here as well. So just kinda be making like a C, basically. After I get done with that, then I'm gonna go around. I'll pick up some of the cores, but I'm not really worried about it. And I'm going to get the seed down. And I'm gonna be putting down the Midnight Kentucky Bluegrass. Yeah, and I'll just be putting it in the spreader. And as soon as we get done spreading the seed out, then I'm going to come back and rake it in. Now, I've checked my soil back here, and I have so much soil in this backyard, and I just wanted to kind of show you. So I don't know if you can, the sun's kind of, it almost looks like it's gonna rain again, but my soil back here, it's actually quite nice. And it's because I did add the last time in midsummer, I added the, when I did that turf type tall fescue overseed back here, I did add soil that time. I'm pretty sure I did. But anyways, it's holding water like crazy, but not too much, which is exactly what I want. So I don't want to add too much soil or anything like that. Maybe in a week, I'll check on it. We'll see where we're at. If I need to, we can, and we can put more seed down, but I don't think we're going to need to. I usually don't do that at this time of season. I usually only do that in the spring. And it's typically because in about a month and a half here, this entire backyard will be covered with snow. So it's just kind of, it's going to kill off everything in the soil anyways. But what we are looking for is good seed to soil contact. The rake will handle that for us, especially at this time of year where it's not all dry back here anymore. Yeah, and when we're seeding though, I will first, before I put the seed into the main spreader, I'll put it into the hand spreader, and we'll go around the perimeter of the backyard, and then that way I don't get it all into the mulch beds and stuff around the house. We should be pretty good to get straight to work here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that mower out. Ooh, yeah, see, it's mushy on the side here. It's definitely a little mushy right there, and then it's dry again as soon as you come out. Here's the front. Front's looking quite nice. All right. Here's the other side, looking quite nice. So I'm thinking what we'll do is tomorrow I'll do another video, and we'll be working here in the front, and we'll be working on some stuff. We'll definitely get it cut, striped up again. Back here in the back, it looks a lot better. Siding looks great. I might even hit that with the Rollaerator when we aerate. It's less holding moisture over there. Let's get to mowing. Looking forward to this. It's actually very nice out. Fall weather is finally here. Really, really nice day. The high today is in the 70s. Perfect overseed weather. Let's go. Let's mow. just got done mowing, and I'm going to do a little test here. I'll show you real quick. All right, got everything mown, right? Pretty much everything here is cut at 1 inch, right? But what I did was over here up against the fence, along here, and over to about here. I left the grass, well, I guess I cut it short over here too, but up to here, I left the grass higher. And the reason I did that is I want to see, because we're still going to rake the seed down, but I just want to see if it really makes a difference at this time of season, whether I mow high or short or scalp or whatnot, because when I scalped a week ago, the grass has basically, even with the heat, it's been growing like I already overseeded it. And especially along the fence where I didn't trim the first time I overseeded this season, the grass is thickest there. And it's not because it's in the shade either. Just a little test with that, but I'm gonna go ahead and I gotta find my silicone spray stuff, but we're gonna get to using this. It's been a while. So let's get to aerating or rollaerating. Let's go. Let's go. All right, well, got all done with that. Aeration went smooth, super smooth. It's so soft back here now. And yeah, check it out. You can see. And I actually did a little bit more than I was planning on. I'll show you. Here's the core right here. All right. I'm just gonna pick up as many as I can, which will probably hardly be any. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to go all around the exterior of the fence and where we let the grass stay higher. And I'm going to get seed down so that it doesn't get in the mulch bed. And then we'll come back with the, I think I'll use the Scott spreader, get that Kentucky blue down, and then we'll get it raked done. See you in a second. I think I got everything done. I'm just going to get this raked in and then get irrigated in the morning. And yeah, and I aerated the side over there, so hopefully that helps. This is a super quick one today. We'll be working in the front tomorrow. I would have gotten out a video earlier this week, but it's just been raining every single day. I think this looks great. We'll get it raked in, finish up the video, of course. And yeah, thanks for watching the yard, Dad. I will see you tomorrow. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Yeah, I'm looking forward to the project in the front tomorrow. Peace.